Instapage is excited to announce two new features that have been frequently requested by our customers. These are text formatting enhancements and a new image manager. The Instapage editor now features superscript, subscript, and strike-through buttons. They allow you for more advanced text formatting when creating personalized landing pages. On top of that, Instapage users now have a better way to manage images with a built-in image manager. The image manager allows users to manage all of their images across all pages in their workspace in one place, so they can easily organize their brand assets, collaborate more effectively with design teams, and speed up the creation of landing pages. That's it for today. To try out our new image and formatting features, sign up for a free trial.